Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2006 ECE paper and the question is related to electronics. For the circuit shown below, assume that the Zener diode is ideal with a breakdown voltage of 6 volts. The waveform observed across R is out of ABCD, which is going to be the right answer. For that one, we must know about the Zener diode characteristics. If you know Zener diode characteristics, then only we can easily justify this question. Okay, so look at this one. These are VI characteristics of Zener diode. So this is 0 and this is nothing but positive voltages, and here it is negative voltages. So this is VR and here we are going with VF, forward voltage and reverse voltage, and this is I. Okay, current flowing in forward direction IF and current flowing in reverse bias IR. So if you observe the characteristics at that time, during forward bias, Zener diode is nothing but heavily doped silicon. So this will be looks like ordinary forward bias characteristics with cut-in voltage as 0.7 volts. With cut-in voltage as 0.7 volts. And if it is ideal diode at that time, this V gamma is going to be 0 for ideal Zener diode. Okay, and it is nothing is specified. It is specified as Zener diode is ideal. That implies nothing but under forward bias, Zener diode is going to be having the forward voltage as 0. Remember that one. Next, during reverse bias, these are the characteristics. Initially, there will be a reverse bias, and later the current is going to be increases by making the reverse voltage constant. So this is Vz, and during this portion, this is first characteristics you can think, and it is second characteristics, and this will be the third characteristic. Okay, so first one implies nothing but during forward bias, by that time Vf is equal to 0, that is voltage across diode Vz. You can think in this way, Vd, assume that one, this is Vd, diode voltage. Here Zener diode voltage is 0 volts. And next, second characteristic is nothing but during reverse bias, that is whenever the voltage, diode voltage, whenever the diode voltage, the magnitude of diode voltage is greater than 0 but it is less than Vz. If the diode voltage is going to be less than Vz and greater than 0 with respect to magnitude, so that this is second portion, by that time Vd itself is going to be equal to Vr. How much is the reverse voltage you are applying? That will be taken by the Zener diode itself. Okay, the entire applied voltage under reverse bias will be taken by the Zener diode itself, where there is no current flows. The current flows, if you are observing this characteristic, current flows is going to be approximately 0, and current is going to be increases only in breakdown region, where the third characteristic is nothing but whenever the diode voltage, okay, is going to be greater than Vz. If the voltage across the diode is greater than Zener breakdown voltage, by that time the Vd will be, okay, Vd will be equal to Vz, but current flowing through Zener diode is going to be increases. This is going to be called as Zener breakdown region. Remember that one. So first one is nothing but forward bias, where you are applying P side with more positive voltage, and second portion is nothing but reverse bias. By that time the reverse voltage should be lesser than the Zener breakdown voltage. Third one is nothing but reverse bias with the reverse voltage greater than Zener breakdown voltage. If you are able to get these three conditions on the input waveform, by that time it is very easy to calculate the output waveform. Okay, we will see these things. The input given as V input is nothing but 12 sin omega t. 12 sin omega t, we are going with one cycle, and the other cycles will follow this one. This is 12 sin omega t. So the maximum is nothing but plus 12 and minimum is nothing but minus 12, which is nothing but V input. Okay. Now we are going with V out. So V out, that is nothing but VR, voltage across VR. So during this portion, first of all, whenever you are going with this positive half cycle, during positive half cycle, during negative half cycle, you will separately. So first, during negative half cycle is nothing but all input voltages are negative. Okay, so first we will go with positive half cycle because our waveform is with respect to positive half cycle. During positive half cycle, all the input voltages can be V input is going to be positive. So whenever V input is positive, at that time diode is going to becomes reverse bias. Whenever diode becomes reverse bias, there are two possibilities. One is nothing but the input voltage may be lesser than, okay, Vz. By that time diode is under reverse bias, so voltage across diode itself is going to be equal to V input, and voltage across resistor is nothing but V input minus Vd. Both are going to be same, so that you can say it as 0 volts. So during the portion, whenever the input voltage is less than Vz voltage, Vz is nothing but 6 volts. So indicate in this way. This is 6 volts. For example, this is this line corresponding to 6 volts. This line corresponding to 6 volts. Below this one, this portion is nothing but first one. So by that time, what you are going to get is nothing but 0. Output is going to be 0, because during this portion the diode is under reverse bias, entire input voltage will be taken by the diode itself, so there is no voltage left for the resistor, because under reverse bias no current flows. Okay, under reverse bias no current flows, so that you can think that one, whenever it is lesser than this one, IR, reverse current, is 0. Next, whenever the voltage is going to be second case, if the V input voltage is greater than or equal to Vz, by that time onwards diode comes into breakdown region. The Zener diode comes into Zener breakdown region, where it maintains Vd is going to be Vz. So now if you are going with voltage across resistor is nothing but V input minus Vd, which is nothing but V input minus Vz. So V input minus Vz is nothing but it will be starting like this. Okay, so we are going this way. So from this onwards, it will be increases as input voltage is going to be increases, voltage across resistor is increases, because it is becoming constant till this point. This is a waveform you will get. Okay, and afterwards it is again the case as first case only, so that you will get the waveform as in this way. So you will get the waveform as in this way. This related to first case, this related to first case, this entire will be related to the second case. And during negative half cycle we will write during, okay, negative half cycle implies nothing but diode act as forward bias, so that voltage across the diode is 0 volts since it is ideal. So whenever it is 0 volts, at that time simply diode is acting as short circuit, entire input voltage VR is equal to, okay, V input minus Vd, that is nothing but V input minus 0, which is V input itself. Output is same as input voltage, so by that time it follows in this way. So this follows the waveform. So it will be going towards minus 12 volts, and whereas it is going towards maximum of plus 6 volts. So this is the output waveform. This is output waveform. During positive half cycle it will be 0, and it is going to be increasing towards 6 volts, and later it is going to be turning towards 0. Whenever the input voltage reaches 6 volts, then it maintains 0 voltage during positive voltage. During negative half cycle, simply the voltage across resistor follows the input signal. So the right option for this question is, okay, this is B is the right option. B is the right option, since it is going with maximum of plus 6 volts and minimum of minus 12 volts. Thank you.